Hello, cuties. How are you all? Hope so you're doing good. So you have learned term 1 lesson, term 2 lessons, and now you're here at term 3. You're supposed to complete this entire book itself. Okay. Hope so you're doing good and staying safe at home. My dear children, in this term 3 first lesson that is designed as the best policy. In this first unit, all the good qualities of the children and also the elders will be seen. Shall we see the first lesson? It comes in the page number 65, 66 and 67. Okay, dear children, here interesting story is given for you. That is the 7 seeds. After reading the stories, you'll be able to understand the meanings and also the spelling of the unknown words. So what you have to do is, you have to keep your dictionary. Have you all got dictionary with you? Run. Go and take and come your dictionary, all of you. And also your English book with you. And also you are going to learn about the usage of the punctuation also. That is full stop, comma, question mark, etc. Okay, fine children. Shall we enter the lesson? The interesting story, the 7 seeds. Here, what can you see in this picture? That is a kingdom. Kingdom, Arasatchi. Next picture. What can you see here? Yes, there is a beautiful village in the foothills of the mountains. Who is he? Who is he? He is a king. Yes, you're right. And what is this? This is nothing but, you can see a seed is growing little by little. That is called as nurturing. Nurturing. You have to listen the pronunciation also carefully. Next, that is nurturing not only the plants but also taking care. See, you can see a mother is taking care of a child. And what's this? This is wheat seeds. This is wheat seeds. And what is this? Yeah, there are pots. How many pots are they given for you? Count and see. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6 pots are given for you. Flower pots. And you can see here, a girl is blinking like anything. Yes, if teacher is asking questions and you don't know the answer, what will you do? You'll be blinking like anything, isn't it? So, there's a anxious. She's very anxious. And here you see, this girl is very excited. She is very excited to see something new. And here you can see a sprouted plant. That is sprout. Tulirthu valarrathu. Sprout. And this is very familiar for you. Nowadays you are staying at home, so you can plant small seeds or of plants and you can water it daily. So that is watering. So did you all understand the meaning of the pictures given there? Okay, come, let's go and read the lesson. Take your book, take the first lesson, the 7 seeds. I am going to read it word by word for you and explain it for you. So listen carefully so that you can understand the lesson very clearly. So keep your fingers, point your fingers for the first line, the 7 seeds. Long ago, there was a kingdom at the foothills of Aanaimalai. I think you all know the meaning of kingdom and foothills. You have seen the pictures also and you have know the meaning also. So long ago, there was a kingdom at the foothills of Aanaimalai. ஆனைமலை அடிவாரத்தில் ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு அரசாட்சி நடந்துட்டு இருந்தது. The kingdom flourished in trade and arts under the rule of their king's rule. So the kingdom flourished, well developed in a good manner. Meaning for flourished is well developed in a good manner. So the அரசாட்சி was very flourished in trade and arts. வாணிபத்திலையும் கலை கலாச்சாரத்திலையும் நல்ல செழிப்பா அந்த கிங்டம் இருந்தது. Under the rule of the kings. That king, he was respected and revered by all. The king who ruled the kingdom was respected by all the citizens and revered. மதிப்பும் மரியாதையும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, the respected and revered. It has been 30 years under his rule. So எவ்வளோ வருஷம் அந்த கிங் வந்து ஆட்சி செஞ்சுட்டு இருந்தாரு? It was around 30 years. So 30 years the kingdom flourished in trade and arts. So all the people were enjoying his rule. One day the aging king woke up worried. One day what happened? The king woke up very worried. ரொம்ப சோகமா ஒரு நாள் காலையில எழுந்திருச்சார். Why? We'll see the reason there. He was getting very old and had no heir to take his place. Why the king was worried? Because he had no heir to take his place. அவருக்கு வந்து ஒரு வாரிசு இல்லை. அவருக்கு அப்புறமா அந்த கிங்டம் ரூல் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு வாரிசு இல்லை. So only the king was worried about that. He decided to adopt and raise a child as the heir. What did he decide? He decided to adopt a child. Adopt, தத்து எடுப்பது அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். To adopt and raise a child as the heir. But he knew that the adopted child must be honest, because that child is going to be the next king for that kingdom. So he was having a plan to adopt a proper and correct child for his kingdom. To find the child, he held a competition in his kingdom that was open to all. So what did the king decide? He decided to hold a competition in his kingdom that was open to all, not only for the children, but the competition was open to all in the kingdom. The competition had many levels and spanned for nearly 6 months. So how long did the competition take place? The competitions took place for 6 months. The competition had many levels and that competition was lasting for 6 months. So at the end of it, 5 boys and 5 girls made it to the very last round. Finally, what happened? All the children in the kingdom took part in the competition. So the competition was held up for 6 months nearly. At the last, for the last round, how many children were selected? There were 5 boys and 5 girls. These 5 boys and 5 girls were selected for the last round. In this last round, what happened? The king kept very strong and honest competition. Come, let us see what was the competition. There seemed little to separate them. Each one of them was intelligent, strong, and capable. All these 5 children, that is 5 boys and 5 girls, all these 5 boys and 5 girls, there was only a small thing to separate them. Very minute thing to separate them, because all were brilliant and intelligent. Not only brilliant and intelligent, but also very strong and capable. Strong, and they were capable to be the heir of the king. So for this last round, what competition did the king give to the children? Come, let us see. The king said, I have one last test for you all. The one who passes this test will be the winner. As you all know, the winner will be the heir to my throne. So one day the king called all the 10 children to his kingdom, and he was telling that I have one last test for you all. 10 children are standing and the king is telling like that. I have one last test for you all. The one who passes this test will be the winner. Isn't it? The finally who passes this test will be the winner. Winner in the sense that child will be the heir for the throne. Isn't it? So all the children were very anxiously waiting what was the competition will be. Then he continued, the king continued, our kingdom depends on agriculture. So the new leader must know how to grow plants. So what did the king tell? Our kingdom depends on agriculture. Our kingdom depends on agriculture. So the new leader must know how to grow plants. So the king was keeping this in his mind. So this should be his last test, isn't it? The king told that our kingdom depends mainly on agriculture. Our kingdom depends mainly on agriculture. So the new leader who is being selected must know how to grow plants. Okay. So he continued again and he is telling, here are 7 seeds of wheat for each of you. Take them home, plant and nurture them for 6 weeks. So what did the king is telling? Here are 7 seeds of wheat. 7 wheat seeds he is giving to all the children, and he is telling each of them you take home and you grow it. வீட்டுக்கு கொண்டு போய் அதையெல்லாம் வளர்த்துட்டு வாங்க. So how long is he giving for 6 weeks? எவ்வளோ நாளுக்கு வளர்க்கணும்? For 6 weeks. Here are 7 seeds of wheat for each of you. Take them home, plant and nurture them for 6 weeks. So you take all the seeds to home. Separately, you just nurture them for 6 weeks. Means you grow them for 6 weeks. At the end of the 6th week, we shall see who has done the best job of nurturing them. That person will be the heir to the throne. What did the king tell? At the end of the 6th week, we shall see who has done the best job of nurturing them. That person will be the heir to the throne. யார் அந்த செடிகளை எல்லாம் நல்லா வளர்த்துருக்காங்களோ அவங்க தான் next king, means the heir to the throne. So all the children were very excited. They were thinking that throughout this 6 months, all the competitions were very tough for us. But this last final competition is very, very easy. Why the king is giving this test for us? All were thinking that. இது வரைக்கும் நடந்த காம்படிஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப டஃப்பாக இருந்தது, ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு செஞ்சோம். பட் நவ் growing a seed is a very, very easy task for us. Growing a seed is very, very easy task for us. Then why the king is giving this task for us as the last round? So there should be something in that. Okay. Now, can you all guess how can the king find the honest kid using this seed? So எதுக்காக king இவ்வளோ ஈஸியான ஒரு டெஸ்ட் as a last டெஸ்டாக கொடுக்குறாரு? Can you guess? Did you get any answers? You think about it for a few minutes. That is, all throughout the 6 months, all the competitions were very tough. But as a last task, the king gave a small seed and he is asking us to grow in a plant. So what it be? It will be very easy only, no? This is not a difficult task. We can do it very easily. I don't know why the king is giving such an easy task at the end of the competition. So thinking all this, the children took their seats and hurried home. They all got a pot, prepared some soil and sowed their seeds. So this is very easy task. So what did the children do? They all took their seeds and hurried home. They took their seeds and they went back to their home. They all got a pot to grow the seed. They all got a pot and also they prepared soil for the seed to grow and they sowed their seeds. Vidaithargal. Sowed means vidaithargal. They sowed their seeds in the plant separately in their own house. So the entire kingdom was very excited. The entire kingdom was excited. They were all anxious to see who the next king would be. So peopleக்கு the entire kingdom, peopleக்கு they didn't know what's going to happen. So it is a very easy task to grow a seed in a pot. Nothing but you can take some soil, you sow the seeds and you have to water it daily. That's it. The seed will grow by itself. Then how the king is going to find the honest kid from there? Let us see. So the entire kingdom was very, very, very excited. ரொம்ப ஆர்வமா they were waiting there. They were all anxious. They were all anxious to see who the next ரொம்ப ஆர்வமா இருக்காங்க. Eager-ஆ இருக்காங்க to see who the next king would be. All the entire people are waiting there. So யார் இந்த 10 childrenல இருந்து who is going to grow the plants properly and who is going to be the heir to the next throne? One of the finalists was Annie. The days stretched into weeks, but the seeds failed to sprout. Here is the story beginning. Listen carefully. One of the finalists was Annie. So on the 10 children, 10 finalists இருந்தாங்க இல்லையா? In that, one of the finalists was Annie. The days stretched into weeks, but the seeds failed to sprout. அந்த 10 childrenல ஒரு child her name is Annie. நாட்கள் போயிட்டே இருக்கு. The days stretched into weeks. The நாட்கள் போய்கிட்டே இருக்கு. ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் ஆகுது. But the seeds failed to sprout. முளைத்து வரவே இல்லை. ஆனியோடைய பாட்ல இருக்கிற சீட் என்ன ஆகல? It didn't sprout at all. முளைக்கவே இல்லை. Annie was very sad. Annie didn't know what had gone wrong. Annie and her parents were heartbroken. பாவம் அந்த குழந்தை. She didn't know. She didn't know what mistake she made. She took the proper pot. She took the proper soil. But the plant didn't grow. Annie didn't know what had gone wrong. And Annie and her parents were very heartbroken too. She had selected the soil with care, put the right manure and very dutifully watered it also. எல்லாமே பண்ணிட்டா, but the plant didn't grow. She had even prayed over it day and night, and yet her seeds hadn't grown at all. Day and night அதுக்கு உரம் கூட போட்டு பார்த்திருக்கா, but the plant didn't grow at all. So some of her friends advised her to go and buy new seeds from the market and plant. So Annieயோடைய friends என்ன சொன்னாங்க? They gave an idea. Just go to the market and get some new seeds and plant it. After all, they said, how can anyone tell if they were the same seeds? So they were telling that idea, you go to the market and get some new seeds and plant it. No one can find that is that the same seed given by the king. So you keep on thinking what the next step the Annie would have done. Annie கடைக்கு போய் ஒரு நியூ சீட்ஸ் வாங்கிட்டு பிளான்ட் பண்ணியிருப்பாளா? Or you think about what should have done. So nice story, isn't it? So keep on thinking what would have been happened. That we are going to see it in the part 2. Now we'll just recall what we have learnt. Okay, you have learned some new words in this lesson. That is kingdom. What is the meaning of kingdom? A region ruled by a king. A region ruled by a king. The beginning is of you saw. Do you remember that? Yeah. Flourished, developed in a healthy way, good way. The kingdom flourished in trade and arts. So flourish means developed in a healthy way. Revered, the same thing. Respected. Revered means respected. Aging. What is the meaning of aging? Getting old. So when the king was getting old, he was very sad because he didn't have any heir to the throne. So only he conducted the competition, and the competition was lasting for 6 months, and the 10 finalists were selected, and they were given the 7 seats to grow them, and from that the king is going to select the honest kid for the throne. So meaning of aging is getting old. What is the meaning of adopt? That is legally take and bring up. This is an idea of the king to adopt a child. ஒரு ப்ராப்பரான ஒரு சைல்டை தத்தெடுத்து வளர்க்கணும் as a heir for the throne அப்படின்றது adopt. Legally take and bring up. Leader, you know that word leader, that is head. So class leader is class head, like that. So I think you might have understood this first part of this 7 seeds. Now here there is a small evaluation work for you. Just you have to choose the correct option. So read the question given for you there. Keep all the story, full story till what I told you. Then you try to answer. Sorry, the kingdom was situated at the foothills of Animalai. Very good. The king looked for a dash. Is that a leader, minister, or great soldier? The king looked for a leader. You see, the color is changed. So the answer is leader. Did you all tell that answer? Then clap hands for yourself. Next question. The king gave dash seeds. How many seeds? 5, 6 or 7? You guess your answer? Immediately the answer will change into the next color, that is, which is changed here, 7. If you have told correctly, clap hands for yourself. Coming to the last one, that is, answer the following questions. How long did the competition take to reach the final? How long did the competition take place? That is for 6 months. Okay, you're right. Why did the king want a leader who knows to grow a plant? Why did the king want a leader who knows to grow a plant? Why? Why? Because the kingdom depends on the agriculture. The kingdom depends on the agriculture. Next one is, did the seeds given to Annie sprout? Did the seeds given to Annie sprout? Annieக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்ட விதைகள் முளைத்ததா? No, the seeds didn't sprout. Fine, you're right. Those who all told the maximum correct answer, clap hands for yourself. And your duty is now take your lesson once again and word by word keep your fingers and read all the sentences given there. And if you don't know, you have to listen to the next class. Then I'll tell you all the things given for you there. Did you all understand this lesson? Once again, I'm going to ask the question. Let me see who is going to answer. How long did the competition take to reach the final? 6 months. Why did the king want a leader who knows to grow a plant? Why? Because the kingdom depends on agriculture. So you all keep all this in your mind and you can answer the questions given in your book back also. Did the seeds given to Annie sprout? No, the seeds didn't sprout. Dear children, now we'll read the lesson once again. Keep your fingers and try to read after me. Long ago, there was a kingdom at the foothills of Anamalai. The kingdom flourished, see the word flourished, in trade and arts under the rule of the king's rule. He was respected and revered by all. It has been 30 years under his rule now. One day, the aging king woke up worried. He was getting very old and had no heir to take his place. He decided to adopt and raise a child as the heir. But he knew the adopted child must be honest. To find the child, he held a competition in his kingdom that was open to all. The competition had many levels and spanned for nearly 6 months. At the end of it, 5 boys and 5 girls made it to the very last round. There seemed little to separate them. Each one of them was intelligent, strong, and capable. The king said, I have one last test for you all. The one who passes this test will be the winner. As you all know, the winner will be the heir to my throne. He continued, our kingdom depends on agriculture, so the new leader must know how to grow plants. Here are 7 seeds of wheat for each of you. Take them home, plant and nurture them for 6 weeks. At the end of the 6th week, we shall see who has done the best job of nurturing them. That person will be the heir to the throne. The children took their seeds and hurried home. They all got a pot, prepared some soil, and sowed their seeds. The entire kingdom was excited. They were all anxious to see who the next king would be. One of the finalists was Annie. The days stretched into weeks, but the seeds failed to sprout. Annie did not know what had gone wrong. Annie and her parents were heartbroken. She had selected the soil with care, put the right manure, and very dutifully watered it. She had even prayed over it day and night, and yet her seeds hadn't grown at all. Some of her friends advised her to go and buy new seeds from the market and plant. After all, they said, how can anyone tell if they were the same seeds? And once again, I thank you all for listening my class. Thank you.